everyone, I'm Stephanie Brinkerhoff with Hair and Makeup by Steph, and I'm here with Kenra Professional, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through a low textured bun that would be perfect for a holiday party. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing I want to do is create texture in her hair. She has some loose curls, but I want to pull them up a little bit so she has some texture through the roots as well. So I'm just going to go in with my flat iron and just create some loose waves. And you can use a flat iron for this, you can use a wand, whatever's easier for you, as long as you get some texture right up by the roots. Okay, so just something kind of like this. And you can also go in and do like a wave pattern as well. You know, more of like an S wave if you want a little bit of a messier look. Just something like that. So just whatever you're feeling as far as the texture goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this mostly focusing throughout the top. And then I'll pull some through the ends as well. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Kenra Spray Clay 15. This is a really good product for building texture and bulk. So I'm just kind of scrunching this in. And then I'm going to add some backcombing as well to give this a little bit more volume on top. So I'm just kind of spraying the product in there and backcombing, and I'll continue this process all throughout the crown. Okay, and then I'm going to add a little bit of the Kenra Perfect Medium Spray 13 as well. This one has a little bit more shine to it, so it's going to help with the frizz. Okay, and then I also want to add some backcombing down here in the center back, just to help give our bobby pins something to hold on to. Okay, at this point, I'm going to get everything gathered in a low ponytail in the back, only leaving out what I want left out around her face. Okay, so I'm just getting this in an elastic. And before I pull this all the way through on the last one, I'm only going to pull it halfway, creating a little chignon. Just like this. Okay, and now I'm just adding a little bit more detailing and texture in the crown. And now I'm going to add some texture to the bun by pulling on small pieces on the exterior, just to make it look a little bit more airy. At this point, I'm going to add a little bit more of the Perfect Medium Spray 13 to these ends, and then I'm going to get the ends wrapped across the top of the bun and pinned underneath on the opposite side. And you can see that I'm being a little bit looser with it, like I'm leaving some pieces out, just to keep it a little bit less formal. Okay, and then the last thing I need to do is just detail the pieces around her face, and then we will be good to go.